Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Tracie Reed and this is Acrylic Pouring with Friends, and I'm just doing a quick video today. I'm using ColorHype Ready to Pour paint. I do have the link for that in my description, but the colors that I'm using today, my base coat is Onyx. I've got Fool's Gold, Island Time, and this really awesome color, Seafoam. And the color paint that I'm using for my swipe color, my cell activator, is from Golden, and it is carbon black. And I'm actually dipping my swipe tool in a lid that has the cell activator in it. I know you can't see it, I have it kind of set off camera. But anyway, like I said, it's just a quick video, so I'm gonna let you guys enjoy how this develops, and I'll be back when it's dry. Alright guys, so here we go with the dried photos, and I love how this painting dried. The cells are super cool, and it looks like a sea slug. I don't know if you guys have ever seen one, but it looks like a crazy sea creature. So anyway, leave me a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, and if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to check out ColorHype's Ready to Pour paint. Link is in the description, and also acrylicpouringtools.com for all your acrylic pouring tool needs. And I've got a bunch more videos that I know you will enjoy, and I will catch you in the next one.